Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a faction in Project Zomboid. To create a faction, you need to be playing in a multiplayer server, since factions are part of the multiplayer system. Once you're in the game, look to the interface on the left side of the screen, and click the client menu. From there, click the Create Faction button. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a faction name. Type the name you want for your group, confirm it, and the faction will be created immediately with you as the faction leader. After creating the faction, you can invite other players to join your group. Select Add Player and choose the player inside the server you want to add. Once they accept the invitation, they'll become members of your faction and can work together with you in the same group. And that's how you make a faction in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.